toy fans, this time I have for you the Shopkins Vending Machine Storage Tin. You do get two special exclusive Shopkins inside. Here are our two exclusive Shopkins. Here is the tin. You do get a see-through window at the front, and we get some nice design around the side as well. You can take the front off the tin, and there is the inside. We do not have a shelving system, but this does come with a plastic insert. You could always put the plastic insert back inside, and then you can stand your Shopkins up on that if you want to do so, but it is mainly for keeping all your Shopkins in loose. Here is the vending machine with the plastic insert still inside. You can see how you can stack your Shopkins up, but the plastic insert is just packaging. If you use it how it is supposed to be used, you will just fill it with your Shopkins. Well, there it is, the Shopkins Vending Machine Storage Tin. Does not actually vend anything, but still a very cool place to keep your Shopkins figures. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you here next time on Toy Review TV.